Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. Today we're checking out one of the smaller and cheaper boats that will feature on my channel, but this one is no less impressive. This was on display at Daytona Beach Boat Show, and the main significance with this one is that this is a sort of boat that a lot of boat owners actually start out with. This particular example is a 2024 Mako Pro Skiff 13 centre console. She's 13 feet 6 inches in length. She's got a beam of 6 feet. She carries 6.6 gallons of fuel and she can carry 4 adults. This one's got the upgraded Mercury 4-stroke 40 horse outboard, and it'll give you speeds of around 30 miles per hour. She's got a really soft bench seating here at the helm. Look how thick that padding is. And at the helm itself you've got the full engine instrumentation, you get the toggle switches for the bilge pump and the lights. You got 2 drinks holders, but you've also got room if you ever wanted to mount a multifunction display in front of the wheel as well. This one's got non-slip deck material. It is designed for multi-purpose including fishing. There's plenty of rod holders on the boat as well for its size. Underneath the bow we've got a section here for the fuel as well as the battery. And above that we have this great space that you could be used as a casting platform. As well as using it as a casting platform, you could easily lay out here if you wanted to. And for a boat of this size, I was both surprised and impressed to find that on the bow this one does actually have an anchor locker. This would be perfect for inshore fishing, but also if you wanted to anchor up off the sandbar as well. And although it's one of the smaller and cheaper boats on the market, notice how well it's built. For example, the hatch is not twisting as you open and close it. It's a very solid design throughout. And I was really impressed with the price tag with this, because the boat, as you see, with the upgraded outboard and the trailer, was on offer for $20,530. Not sure of the exact credit details, but this one was on offer for $213 per month, and that's less than most car payments. Trailer's also got the folding hitch, and that way it takes up less space in the garage or driveway. And the custom hull graphics help boost that image as well. I'd love to hear your own thoughts and comments, maybe even your own experiences in boats like this. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.